DIYers, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking jet skis today, and in the event that one of your latches, whether it is a seat latch or a storage compartment latch, is not actually latching onto the stud that it's supposed to secure onto, you might need to just adjust it. We're going to talk about some common causes, though, in this video. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, at the workstation now, you can see the workbench, starboard side of the jet ski over there. And in-house for the winter for DIY repair videos is my mom and dad's 2003 Sea-Doo GTX. And let's hop to the aft or rear seat and direct our attention to the latch. And notice how easy that latch is to maneuver. There is no unfriendly screeching, squealing, or screaming sounds. That's because we have properly lubricated that latch. We've got an additional latch for our center seat and a latch up here for our storage compartment. Let's open up that, and again, the latch itself operates as designed. It is properly lubricated and not making any unfriendly sounds. And common cause number one, not in order, but it could be a stiff latch that just needs a little bit of lubrication, white lithium grease. And down below in the comment section as well as the description section will be a link on how to properly lubricate your latches. In addition, if you have lubricated your latch and it's still not able to lock onto the stud, well, take a look at your spring or aluminum loop, and that is a spring-loaded or tension-loaded loop. And if that is damaged or broken, or lack of lubrication just basically destroyed it over the years, you might need a new latch. And in addition to lubricating your latch as well as installing a brand new latch, you want to direct your attention to the stud that the latch secures onto and locks onto. As you see here, check out the machine cut to it. You will notice little flat ends on either side that allow you to perfectly align and insert a wrench onto that stud and either tighten it or loosen it. And DIYers, in the event that this is too tight or it's too loose, well, your latch might be having a very difficult time grabbing a hold of it and locking onto it. So grab a wrench and carefully make some minor adjustments to that stud, and trial and error until you find that sweet spot for, again, the latch and the stud that the latch locks and secures onto. And believe it or not, unfortunately, these little studs become loose over the years. That's normal. That's not uncommon. So I wanted to show you that. I'll go ahead and close the storage compartment. And let's hop over to the workbench. And as we make our way around the jet ski, we have built and mounted our very own skateboards. Links down below in the comment section as well as description section as well. And here are our schematics for our exact serial number service manual. And it's got everything. However, we are going to replace the oil filter, our center glove box storage compartment latch. In our case, unfortunately, ours broke. And here is the inner wiring. There's that little push button that this goes on top of. And this will be brand new and shiny red. Hey, while we're here, DIYers, we've got our own crypto ecosystem. Check out toolboxtoken.com. However, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. However, real quick, a close-up view of that broken center glove box compartment latch there. That will be replaced